Have you ever wondered how to connect with career opportunities that require specific work experience? Today, we'll guide you through a 4-step process. The first step on this journey is research. It's not just about finding businesses near you, but digging a little deeper. Investigate their culture, their values, their mission. Who are the key players? What are their roles? This isn't a quick Google search, it's about understanding the essence of the company, its heartbeat. Check out their reputation. What are people saying about them? Are their employees happy? Do they have a good standing in the community? Once you've collected all this information, you need to prioritize these businesses. Which ones align with your values and career goals? Which ones excite you? Research is more than just an initial step. It's the foundation upon which all other steps are built. Once you've gathered all this information, you're ready for the next step. Now that you've researched potential businesses, it's time to prepare for contacting them. Preparation is key to success, and that's where your elevator pitch comes into play. Imagine you've only got 30 seconds to impress. What would you say? This is your chance to succinctly showcase your skills, your passion, and your unique value. Now let's talk about life stories. We've all faced challenges and come out stronger on the other side. Distilling these experiences into 7 compelling narratives can provide a rich tapestry to draw from during interviews. Whether it's a tale of resilience, innovation, or teamwork, these stories can illustrate your character and capabilities in a memorable way. And of course, there's the interview preparation. It's about more than just rehearsing answers. It involves understanding the company's culture, anticipating their needs, and demonstrating how you can meet them. With your stories and pitch in hand, you're ready to make contact. You've done your research and prepared your pitch. Now, it's time to connect. The third step involves making contact through informational interviews. This is where you take the initiative to interview individuals from the company. It's a chance to learn more about the work environment and to see if it aligns with your career aspirations. As the conversation progresses and you sense positive feedback, it's time to make your pitch. Put forth your proposition for an internship or an apprenticeship. This is your opportunity to show your enthusiasm, your preparedness, and your commitment to learning. The final step is to connect the business with the Collision Career Institute's structured apprenticeships. This connection will provide a framework to guide your learning and growth within the company. And there you have it, a 4-step process to overcoming experience-required challenges. For more detailed information, continue watching the linked videos or scan the QR code. Don't forget to like and share these videos to help others discover this pathway. Thank you for joining us today.